Hi, my name is Kenny. Today I'm going to show you the troubleshooting step if no sound came out from your soundbar. First, you need to press home from your remote control and then go to settings, then press sound. And from here, please select the speakers to audio systems. And also, please make sure both your soundbar and the subwoofer is powered on and is plugged into a high-speed HDMI cable in both HDMI ARC port. Thanks for watching. Use code SOUNDBAR when purchasing on our official Sony online store to be entitled for 2 free MBO cinema vouchers. You can also find out more on our description below. I'll see you next time. Bye!